In today's video, I'll teach you how to stop people from posting on your Facebook profile. So first of all, launch open Facebook. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy. Now tap on the option settings that you can see at top. Now you'll be led to the settings and privacy interface of Facebook. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find this section for audience and visibility. Over here you can find this option for profile and tagging. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the profile and tagging interface. Over here at first you'll be able to find this option for who can post on your profile. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, friends, only me. So make sure only me option is selected. If it is not selected, tap on this option, only me. Now tap on the save option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here only me has been selected for who can post on your profile. Now others will not be able to post on your profile. So that is how you stop people from posting on your Facebook profile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.